This is the Redmi 13C for a starting price of about 90,100 naira for the 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Is it an upgrade from the 12C or just another compromise? Let's find out. But before that, please give this video a like so that YouTube can recommend for more people, and please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when we drop a new video just like this one. Thank you. Xiaomi is known for providing some decent accessories, and the Redmi 13C is no exception. You've got the phone itself, a USB-C cable, a 10-watt charger, and a user manual. Nothing too crazy, but it covers the essentials. Now let's talk design and build quality. The Redmi 13C surprises us with a sleek, flat and modern design. It has a glossy finish at the back which add a little bit of premium feel, and the slightly curved edges make it comfortable to hold. However, do keep in mind that it is a bit of a fingerprint magnet, and the power button also now double as a fingerprint scanner, which is better than its predecessor. Moving on to the display, we have got a 6.74 inches Full HD Plus LCD panel with a resolution of 720 by 1600 with a 90Hz refresh rate, but has a U-notch camera layout which is giving the cheap phone vibe. While at this price point, it is a good bargain. It's better than the 12C which launched with 60Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant and the brightness levels are decent for indoor use. Outdoor, it might struggle a bit, but considering this price point, it is a good compromise. To cut the long story short, content consumption on this display is very decent, but when it comes to outdoor use, it might struggle a little bit. Let's talk performance very quickly. The Redmi 13C is equipped with a MediaTek Helio G85 processor, and for day-to-day tasks, it handles things pretty well. Social media, web browsing, and even some light gaming might work smoothly. However, don't expect flagship level performance here. There might be a slight lag in resource intensive apps and graphics intensive games. So if you are in the market for a gaming phone, you might really want to skip this one. Let's talk cameras, because cameras are essential aspects for every user. The Redmi 13C comes with a dual camera setup, a 50 megapixel main shooter and a 2 megapixel macro camera, but I feel ultrawide would be a better choice. The main camera performs well in good lighting condition, capturing decent detail. However, in low light, it tends to struggle a bit, while the macro camera as well is a nice addition for more versatile and close shots. To the front camera, which is the selfie camera, it also performs decent in good light condition. However, for a phone that is less than $100, you don't expect flagship pictures out of the camera system. It is also capable of shooting videos for the front and the back camera with 1080p 30 frames per second max with no stabilization. So you might need to have a tripod if you want to shoot stable videos. Let's talk battery life, a crucial factor in any smartphone. The Redmi 13C packs a respected 5000 mAh battery, and it does a solid job with moderate usage. You can easily get through a full day on a single charge, even as an heavy user. Xiaomi optimization here is commendable, but when charging is the other way around. It comes with a 10-watt charger and should take your phone from 0 to 100 in about 3 hours and 2 minutes. It is all those charge overnight type of phone, but I recommend you get the 13-watt charger and it supports 13-watt fast charging. On the software side of things, the Redmi 13 still runs on Android 13 with MIUI 14. It's feature packed as usual, but has a lot of bloatware apps here and there, disturbing with notifications. Fortunately, Xiaomi provides regular software updates, which is also a plus. After a close look at the Redmi 13C, is the Redmi 13C worth your hard-earned money? If you are on a tight budget and you are looking for a well-rounded smartphone that won't break the bank, it is definitely worth considering. Just be mindful of some compromises if you are an heavy user, especially in the screen, in the chip, and the cameras. Thanks for